in one of his examination, he got 110 out of 100. Now, how he got 110 out of 100? Because that was also also maths examination. How he solved the math? Suppose one math can be solved in a two or three ways. Okay, he did exactly same. Means one math in the three methods he had solved. Not only one math, in the entire question paper, how many maths were there? Every math he had solved accordingly. That is why his teacher was so means what can I say? So proud of him. He just put 110 out of 100. Okay, so if you got 160 out of 100, don't think that yes, I have known many things, I know everything. Okay, don't limit yourself. Okay, just try more hard, keep this record up, and I know you will be a great person one day. Okay, thank you. Just today I'm just sharing the page for 49. All of you open page 49. All of you open from 11. I told you to 11 to 16 today we will do. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think you all can see the question numbers and answers. Okay, so one by one you will read and first you solve, then only I will check, you will check with the screen. Okay, don't say it right now. So read one by one. Afterwards, just 11 question. It is given that it is given that there was total 8,892 students, and number of boy student was 5,324 in one examination. Total number of girl student appeared in that examination they have been asked for. Now the thing is here, simple subtraction you need to do. Now subtractions step I haven't shown. These all are carry on subtraction. Okay, I know you can just do it. You can just do it. Next sum is what? 12th sum. Sarath went to Allahabad and spent rupees 5,869. And if he had rupees 6,000 before going there, then find the remaining money with him. Remaining money means here one trick they have used. They have given the bigger number on the second line of the sum. So you need to find out that which is the bigger sum, bigger number, and which is the smaller number. Then you need to arrange it, and you need to just do the subtraction. Okay, complete it very fast. Next question number 13. Question number 13 is what? A lorry driver carried 6,359 articles in his lorry. While transporting 950 articles were broken. Find the numbers of unbroken articles. So that means here you need to write first that total article, how many article was there in the lorry, and from there you need to minus the broken article, and you will able to find out the unbroken articles. So exactly the same I have did in the question number 13. Complete these three sums and raise your hand, please. Only 6 of you raised your hand. What about the rest of the students? Okay, so 14, I think 11, 12 is completed, all of you. Question number 14 and 15 I'm showing. 14 is given what? Here that in some of a game, গীতিকা স্কোর্ড স্কোর্ড মানে হচ্ছে কত পেয়েছে সেই গেমসে সেটাকে বলা হচ্ছে গীতিকা স্কোর্ড 8000 sorry 6872 and Vivek scored 9359 points. What is the difference of their points? Okay, so here we have done what we have done, like the greater score we have written first, then only we have written the lower score, and we did a subtraction. Okay, so see it nicely. Question number 15 is given what? A baker has to make 2180 pastries. If he had made 1592 of them, how many pastries are still left to be made? So simple subtraction only we have to do. I think question number 13 also you have done. Question number 14 to 16. Now 16 number question, you need to understand it very nicely. Suppose I am giving you some numbers. I am telling you there is one number that is 10, and there is on another one number which is smaller than 10 by 4. Then what we will do? We will easily subtract it and the answer will come as 6. Now here how what is the question they have told? A number is 3250 smaller. 3250 smaller than whom? This number where I am just marking. Okay, this 8000 8000 uh, 51. From this number, this much is less this number. So how we will take it out? We will simply do what? We will simply do subtraction. Okay, just complete it nicely. Your class will be ended within 5 minutes, 14, 15, 16. These all of these sums, all of you just complete it. Zoom on your phone screen. Okay, I think 12 to 16, all the sums is shown. Twelve to 16, all the sums is shown. This chapter is completed. Okay, next chapter multiplication we will start on the next day. Complete it. Yes, Dipan.
Ma'am, I have don't understand the 14 number.
14 number score means, so this is something like cricket score. Okay, cricket. When we are saying cricket, the team is doing different number of runs they are doing. Okay, here it is not run, it is written as scores. Okay, so Vivek scores
Okay,
more.
ma'am.
That number is better. That is why we have to rewrite it in the past. Yes, Sharanya. And now you understood the point.
Yes, ma'am, I have understood.
Okay. Sharanya, please unmute yourself. Sharanya, please unmute yourself. What is your problem? Arnav, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 39% কি আছে?
Question you need to see on your book. Page 49 you open. You will able to see. Richkin, you have not connected to the audio, so I can't just keep you unmute. Yes, Audrija,
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Aratrika,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Sajad, 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 unmute yourself, please. Manpreet, you have done, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so most of you completed. Okay, just if it is not completed, everything I have shown on the screen, please take a screenshot. And if you are done, if you have